Elementor WordPress tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can use Elementor and how you can use it to create your website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, when you first come into your dashboard in WordPress, this is how it's going to look like, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto the left side. You're going to go into the plugin section over here, and you're going to go ahead and add a new plugin. Now, I've deleted all the plugins. This is a fresh start on this website, so there's nothing edited. So once you come over here into the plugin store, all you got to do is search for a plugin called Elementor, and this will be the plugin right here, Elementor WordPress Builder. Now what we're going to do is we're just simply going to go ahead and install this template and install this plugin, and once it's installed, all we have to do is just simply activate it, and once it's activated, we are good to go. Now there's another plugin that I would like to get installed, but for that I'll install it, but for now we just have to go ahead and skip these questions. Go ahead, and I want to use the hello theme because that's one of the best ones out there. Over here you can go ahead and change your name, so I'm going to call it, so you can go ahead and change the website's name and click on next, and then you can go ahead and add a logo for your website if you already have one. If you don't, what you can do is you can go over to Canva. Over here, Canva is a free website where you can create different logos, different presentations, different videos, and it's absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's go ahead and click on logos over here and create a logo for our website. It's simply going to be a standard website, so I'll just call it basically something like this. Would look pretty cool, if I had this. So over here I'll just say explains, and I would like to change the fonts to something a little bit different, like maybe a little bit bolder, like this one, just to make it pop. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Then you can go ahead and download it, and you are good to go. So we're just simply going to click on share and download the logo. There we go. And once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and apply it to our website. So I'll just save it over here, and once it's downloaded, all you got to do is just simply upload it. I'm just simply going to upload it and just simply click on select and input, insert, and now we have our logo. We'll just simply click on next, and we are good to go. Now that's a wrap. What's next? So over here you can go ahead and browse some templates, or you can edit with a blank canvas. It all depends on you. So for now, I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on template section and browse some templates that are available over here. So over here we have a bunch of different templates that we can choose. Some are free, some aren't free, some are only available for the pro version, but we can still go ahead and find some decent templates. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on the free option right here to get all the free templates. So these are all the free templates that we can use. Now these are basically kits. These aren't templates. They're a little bit different because they give you everything. Like templates are basically like overall like image of a website. Themes are like the let's say colors and highlights of a website. Kits are more like complete website with pages, with monograms, or everything. So you can go ahead and do that. So over here we have these websites, so we can go ahead and choose this. Now I just want to use a blank website, like something like this or this. It depends on what type of website you're creating. So this is a portfolio, and this is, I think, a local service, and this is like a local workshop. So, and we have some local service frames over here, brand frames over here as well. So I think this would look good, the service one. So as you can see, this is a pretty blank service. This is like a layout. We can enter in our own texts and images and backgrounds. So let's go ahead and apply this kit onto our website. So we'll click on get started, and now all we got to do is simply connect. And once it's connected, we'll just simply click on apply all of our templates over here. So I'm going to enable this, and we'll just wait for it to be set up. And once it's set up, we can go ahead and edit it out. And as you can see, your kit is now live, and this will be included over here. So you have global colors, fonts, typography, buttons, images, form fields, backgrounds, and all of the good stuff. We have 4 pages and 4 navigation menus as well. So now all we got to do is just click over here to see it live, see our website, how it looks like once it's live. So this is how it looks like. So as you can see, nothing really happening, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So we'll just simply close it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard, And all we're going to do is we're going to go over to our website over here, right? So this is our website, and this is how it looks like. So over here, these are all the pages. These are all the images that we need to add over here. So what we'll do is we'll go over here onto edit with Elementor and edit the site. All right, so this is how it looks like over here. Now we could go ahead and add like a background image and services as well. So over here, we'll click over here and change an image. And what we'll do is we'll go over to here on pixels, right? We're gonna find some stock footages and stock images, right? So over here, I'll search for, let's say, a editor or a video editor, right? Video editing. Looks good. So we're gonna go with this one, and we're going to choose an image that best fits this genre. We could also use this one for another service that we could add, like a voiceover or something. So over here, I'm going to save it. There we go. Now for the video editing, I would say this looks good because it has the timeline of Adobe. So we're going to go ahead and download this one as well. Next service we could add is maybe like a cameraman, or doing some shootings, or music videos or anything like that. So what we'll do is we'll add this one as well. Actually, this one, it looks pretty big, so we'll actually go with this one. This one looks good, so we're going to download this one. And how much more do we need? Let me just see over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one more and we should be good to go. So another service that we would provide is, let's say, maybe a script writer, right? So over here, I'll just say script writer. Here we go. We'll find some script writers as well. So we have some options over here, but none of these look really awesome. So something maybe like somewhere someone's typing on a computer or something, that would look nice. So this one would look cool, but I'm looking for something else. Maybe some, a better image that would look cool. All right, so I guess I didn't find it, so we'll just go with this image as well. There we go. We have our images. Now to apply these images, all I would have to do is click on these boxes, choose image, upload my media. I'll just select all of these images right here. Click on open to upload them. There we go. So first one is scriptwriter. So I'm going to choose the scriptwriter image once it's uploaded. All right, so now we have the images. Now I'll just simply insert them. And yeah, I think that looks good. So for this one in services, what I'll do is I'll write scriptwriter, right? And over here, we'll just say like a short description, like we provide some of the best scriptwriters available. There we go. And then in service number 2, we'll again upload another image, and this time I'll say a voiceover. And then for the description, I'll say you will get the best voiceover artist, both male, female, in any language possible. Well, not in any language, like mainly English or other languages. So something like that. Then again, in service 3, we can upload another image. This time I'll say like a, shooting. So we'll just say like video shooting or directing, whatever. And then you can add the description for that as well. And then for the service number 4, we just simply click on the image, upload the final image. We'll just say video editing. And over here, we'll say as well, we also provide that. Then we can click over here and we can provide other lists as well. So over here, you can add like a headline for your website, and you can add like a background. So for this one, we'll select this section and click on style. Click over here, and over here, maybe another, image that would look good. So over here, maybe like something along the lines of media team, or media in general. So let's see if we can find an image like that. So I think this image looks pretty cool. Yeah, this will look really nice. So we'll go ahead and download this image. We'll upload it over here. And once it's uploaded, we can just go ahead and insert the image. And then we'll upload it. And then in the headlines, we could go with something like one-stop solution to all of your media problems, or something like that. Yeah. Then we'll click on style, and maybe we'll change it to like white or gray. I think white would look cool. What about red color? No, I think white looks nice. and we'll change the other ones as well to white. And yeah, actually for this one, we'll go with a little darker tones. So we'll go on these and go with the black color or white, and then we'll add like a stroke to it, you know, and maybe like a shadow as well. I think that looks nice. Go with a darker color. Yeah, that looks nice. And maybe we can also, increase the size of it as well. So medium, maybe like a medium, XL. Click on update. That does not look good, but I try to go ahead and actually we don't need that, so we'll just go ahead and delete that as well. Yeah, I think the contact button should be a little bit of a different color. Maybe like a white color would look good, and the text color should be like red, maybe blue. That could, look good. Yeah, I think that looks nice. So once you've done that, what you can do next is you can go ahead and add other things, elements as well, background over here, other stuff that you want, and you're good to go. And if you want to add like other things, what you can do is you can see over here, you have a bunch of different options. You can add like a basic gallery, 5-star rating. You can add posts, you can add videos, dividers, and all of that. And once you've done that, just simply update it and your website will be live. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you create a website with Elementor. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.